Praise the Lord. Title of the story: The Little Bird and the Shadows of the King. In a peaceful green valley, a little bird named Luma sang her morning song. The river sparkled and the hills whispered in the breeze. One summer, the sun grew hot and the winds harsh. Luma's wings felt heavy and her song grew faint. Then a gentle voice spoke, "Little one, I am your keeper. I will shade you with my right hand." From that day on, Luma flew joyfully, knowing the king was always near, guarding her life. Even at night, under the stars, the king watched over her while she slept peacefully in her nest. Today's memory verse: The Lord Himself watches over you. The Lord stands beside you as your protective shade. From Psalms chapter 121 and verse 5. Thank you, verse. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good, for His steadfast love endures forever. God bless you. Bye bye.